Fodder deficit is a grave concern for Indian dairy farmers, and further increasing cost of feed is adding a pressure on the Indian dairy farming community. Hi everyone, I am Feroz Ahmed, co-founder of Cornext, an agri-tech company focusing on animal nutrition and fodder with an aim of making dairy farming more profitable. We are working rampantly in increasing the fodder awareness across the country by establishing fodder entrepreneurs in baled silage, which will further reduce the transportation cost and it will be profitable to the dairy farmers. I have cordially invite you all to Dairy Pathshala on October 27th at Pune in the Feed and Dairy Industry Expo on 27th October 2023. In this session, I'd walk you through the economics and the benefits of the silage making and the current market scenario of the baled silage in India and its market outlook. I'll cover you the regulatory support by Government of India and various state government. I'll also give you the glimpse of the fodder entrepreneurs network and the silage buyback options, which is acting as a market linkage between the producers and the consumers. To join in this session, please register and let's meet on 27th October 11 a.m.